Okay, as we're looking at multiplying radicals basic form, remember that our steps are going to be outside, outside number times outside number, and the answer is going to stay on the outside. And then you're going to go inside radical number times the inside radical number. And then that answer is going to stay inside the radical. And so that's our step one. Our step two is we're going to simplify by breaking that down based off your root value. So if it's a square root, then we need 2 of a kind to pull out, and we'll multiply it by what's outside. If it's a 3 or a cubed root, then we need 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, and so forth. So as we look at the first example, we're going to go -3, so outside times outside, which is -12, and then inside times inside. And we could multiply it to get 350, but I usually don't, just for the fact that your next step is to simplify, which means I need to break it down anyway. And so if I don't do that extra step, then I can just already break down the two smaller numbers, and then I can see that my pair is a 5, so the 5 is going to go out. Remember, the -12 comes straight down. I have a pair of 5, so it's going to come out to join the -12, and then inside is the 2 and the 7. They don't have a pair, so they just stay. So then -12 times 5 is -60, and 2 times 7 is 14. And that would be our answer. When I'm looking at example 2, kind of the same thing. Remember that back when we first talked about exponents, we distribute that power to every part inside the parentheses. So this would be 2 to the 1 times 3, which is 3. And then it would be cubed root of 4 raised to the third power. So we're going to take each of those and give it a power of 3. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. And then something really fun goes on right here, where if I'm trying to get rid of the root value, if I raise it to the same value, it makes the root go away. So because this is a cubed root and we raise it to the third power, that makes the root go away, and we're left with the number that's underneath. And so then we just go 8 times 4, so our answer would be 32. And that will happen every time you have the root value or the index matching the power or the exponent. It will always cancel out.